ladies and gentlemen, we are going to go over some of these shapes. I want to mention again that I am currently recording so we can hear everything you're saying. Okay, we're going to do some of these shapes now. Okay, we're going to start with making a parallelogram with a compass. This is one of the most common things I get asked. How to do this. You should not be packing up right now. You've got 15 minutes. Relax. Okay, so I'm going to draw a straight line. And then I'm going to make a parallel line. So first I have to draw a perpendicular line. Because ladies and gentlemen, if you have two lines that are perpendicular to the same line, they are what to each other? Parallel to each other. They're not congruent. They're parallel to each other. Okay, so I've made a perpendicular line. I'm basically making another perpendicular line, but to my new line. So now I know that these lines are parallel to each other. Please don't talk while I'm teaching. Okay, so we want a parallelogram. We draw in my two more parallel lines, and we've got a parallelogram right here. Okay? All right, let's do a rectangle. We're going to do it almost the exact same way. Almost the exact same way. I'm going to draw a line. I'm going to make two arcs to draw a perpendicular, because let's try this again. If two lines are perpendicular to the same line, then they are what to each other? Parallel. There we go. That's better. Okay? So again, we make these four arcs. It's like two football shapes. Okay? Right. So I've got my parallel lines. Okay, the only difference with a rectangle is I've already got that this is perpendicular right here. So I just need to make sure I've got that line the same length. And right there, I've got my rectangle. Okay? All right, let's go ahead and look at a mirror. With a mirror, to make a trapezoid, I draw a line. Then I look through my mirror and I draw a line parallel to it. Then I'm going to draw a slanted line. Then I look through my mirror and I copy that. And I have an isosceles trapezoid. Okay, with a kite, I'm going to make an obtuse angle. That means greater than 90 degrees. Then I put my mirror right on the end points of it. And I trace. And I have a kite. My mirror went right here. For this one, my mirror went right here and right here. Please draw dotted lines where your mirrors go. Okay, patty paper for a square. First thing I'm going to do for a square is I'm going to draw a straight line. And then I'm going to make a perpendicular bisector. So I cut it in half right on that point. Then I kind of turn it, I kind of need to fold it so I'm making the perpendicular line that I have exactly congruent. So I kind of fold it on an angle, and I measure that out. Okay. Then I fold it on an angle, and measure that out. So these are my diagonals now. What's true about a square is that the diagonals are perpendicular, and they are congruent. Then if I connect my endpoints of my diagonals, I will have created a square. Making this as neat as possible. I'm doing this quickly so that I can get this recorded and for you, but making it as neat as possible. So for a square, when you take your quiz on this, which will be next Tuesday, I need to see an X of folds in it so that I know that it's right. So the folds should be in an X shape. Okay, rhombus, very similar. I'm going to first draw a line. Then I'm going to fold the line so the end points match. Okay. Then I'm just going to make it shorter, making sure there's equal on equal sides, making sure it's equal on equal sides. And then I'm just connecting its endpoints. And I have created a rhombus, 4 equal sides, but not right angles. Okay? All right, we will go over more of these tomorrow. Actually, probably not, because you have a quiz and it's a shortened day. So we will be taking our quiz tomorrow. We'll go over more of these on Monday before you take this half of the quiz.